Hey everybody, Mr. Yates here. I'm just putting together this video to remind you how to complete your Xello activities that you're not quite finished with. So when you log into Xello, you're going to see this screen right here, and it will have your name at the top. And then below this, these are the three sections that you need to complete: the matchmaker questions, the personality style, and the mission complete. And remember, these three sets of questions is what helps populate the careers at the end that may be of interest to you. And the whole reason we have you do Xello is because we want you to start thinking about your future and future options as far as careers are related. So this is a super important activity, especially as seventh graders. So I want to make sure you guys get an opportunity to finish it up this year. So follow along with me on this video and you'll know everything you need to do to get this completed. Down below, under About Me, most of you have finished the matchmaker and the personality style. So really the only thing that you need to finish is the mission complete section. So you'll click on Get Started and let's go. And then this should look familiar to you because you've already done two sets of questions like this. It says, how do you feel about, and then it asks you a question, right? Using a foreign language. If you want more information, you can click on this little question mark box right here, and it will give you a lot more detail about what they're actually asking. And then as a reminder, even though you have 5 options down here to choose from, I want you to stay away from the option that says not sure. Try to decide if you can land on one side or the other. You like it or dislike it, or like it very much or dislike it very much. Once you're done answering this set of questions, then you will be taken to your list of possible careers. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to get back to my list of possible careers. And what you also want to make sure that you've done by the time you're finished today, not only are you going to answer those 3 set of questions, but you need to save at least 3 careers to your profile. So the way you do that, as a reminder, is you click on one of the careers. And once you've read through and you decide, hey, you know what, this is a career that I'm kind of interested in and I want to save it to my profile so I can look at it later, you're going to click this save button right here. So your heart is going to go from a gray heart to a red heart once you've saved it. And then if you want to double check how many careers you have saved, you can click on the Xello icon in the top left. That will take you all the way back out. And under Explore Options, if you click on Saved Options, that will show you all the careers you have saved. So again, you need to save at least 3 of these. All right, everybody, I'm really excited for you to continue to do this research and to be able to start thinking about your future and possible careers that you may be interested in. If you have questions or if you need help, be sure to reach out to me, but otherwise have fun looking into your future.